Hue Light sincerely hopes for this. In moments filled with love, you've become your baby's entire world. And in that beautiful devotion, you deserve to be cared for, restored, and strong. Because a mother's healing is where a baby's happiness begins. Begin your gentle recovery with Hue Light PBM Irradiator, a scientifically designed comfort you can use every day, seamlessly fitting into the moments you share with your baby. .368 of soothing lights and therapeutic wavelengths. Reach deep within, bringing warmth, relief, and balance. It's science designed for a mother's rest and a baby's lifelong strength. Take time for yourself, easily and comfortably, knowing your recovery nurtures your family's happiness. Each soft wave of light supports natural healing from the inside out. Helping you restore harmony in body and mind. A baby's smile, a family's joy. It all begins with a mother's healing. For the beautiful days ahead, Hue Light PBM Irradiator, always by your side.